K12 MAX, KY605S, K6 MAX UAV operation tutorial. Differences in style and design. Same remote control, same functionality. Product configuration. Charging demonstration. Connect the battery. Connect power supply. The red light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect remote control. Connect power supply. The red light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. First, unfold the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone horizontally. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. Calibrate the gyroscope with an external aids drag rod. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone, and then push it up again to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep 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 3 times for high-speed gear. The electric camera adjustment. Press the obstacle avoidance button. Drone activates obstacle avoidance mode. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. Unmanned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. Enable headless mode. The drone will reverse in the direction of the remote control. Press and hold the button, and the drone will start to retreat. One-click landing. Remote control screen image transmission operation demonstration. Insert memory card. Long press to start screen image transfer. Short press to take a photo. Short press to record. Short press again to cancel recording. Long press to view photos. Long press to return to the image transfer screen. Long press to view video. Short press to play. Take off to view real-time image transmission screen. Connect the memory card to the card reader and insert it into the computer to view photos and videos. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Connect pad. Before connecting, turn off the screen switch first, and then connect the airplane camera with your phone. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply clip on your phone and start flying.